Hi, this is Chandan here. Today, a very important video regarding a very gentle and ecosystematic understanding between you and the markets. Why the Dow Jones crashed 6%? What was the necessity? S&P 500, whatever it may be, everything started crashing. What was the reason? COVID? The second wave? Or anything something than that? No. Guys, these things have been made to fool you down. It's not to educate you. Please understand. Why Ramakrishna Dhamani is buying Vodafone Idea stakes in 3 rupees 15 paisa? That to 3 crore volumes plus. Have a common sense, guys. Have a common sense. Have an ideology. Why rumors came in Google is buying some stakes in Vodafone Idea. Google didn't give a statement. But there was a rumor. So stocks now trading at 10 rupees plus. It's almost the capital is going to be 3x of the capital. Like 3 rupees became 10 rupees. So almost your 3 crore stakes became 9 crore stakes. So you can sell the 60% and hold 30% for free in the same ratios as the free stocks. He can book his volume profits. So understand the ideology. The US market crashed because the US government printed $2 trillion of currency and gave it $1,200 for each citizens. So these citizens already they had an unemployment who wanted already the interest rate in banks is zero. So how to get out of all the situations? They started an opportunity. They looked for an opportunity and started working on stock market and they started investing. In all, not only stock, it's about cryptocurrency markets, gold market. So investment has been poured. They didn't buy any assets. So what happened when you don't buy any assets? You are buying some digital assets. So what happened? Obviously, operators come to know how much money is there in the market, how much pump in money. 80% people pumped in money to the markets. Stocks flew up. And also operator took it little up and started the futures taking equities up. They were very genius. And simple thing, operators already bought the bottom things. And also they wanted, operators already bought in the bottom line. So they wanted on about profits, so they booked the gains in the top. Okay, they booked the gains at the top. So what happened? Suddenly all the equities got crashing out. Crashing out means not big thing, 5 to 10%. It's okay. So from the bottom range, like 400 rupees, Tesla stocks went up to 1000 plus like 600 rupees, and it was like 5% or 6% yesterday, less of like $30 to $30 to so $30 to $50 approximately. You can take it on. So it's not a big deal. Why they did it? Because US market has 3 expiries in a week: Monday, Wednesday, and also Friday. India has only 1 expiry, which is on Thursdays approximately. So always, most of the times, expect so many unusual holidays or something like that. So if operators does it on Wednesday, what would have happened? They would have been in trouble. They would have lost money. But when they planned it to make it on Thursday, it was an unusual day, right? It's not a midday. So people get panic more. They short more. Operators do simple work today. They're going to cover the shorts. Already Dow futures is up. So have the understanding of the markets. So they took out all the $2 trillion money, around 80% of money easily from, like, they gave it like this and they took it away directly to them. So money was wiped. So what example traders do, I tell you. So yesterday it was falling. They went long and they exited their losses. Example, $1,000. You have invested $500, you lost $500. So remaining, what they did, and now what they did, they're going to do short covering. These idiots are going to, they shorted again. So now wipe off. Their capital is wiped off. It's a genius game, guys. It's a genius game. If you don't understand this genius game, you can't and survive in the markets. So that's why I tell you always buy insurance. See, I don't simply tell and come and tell you guys just buy insurance because I'm very genius in that. I'm telling you for your safety and your hospitality in the industry. And same thing happens in Reliance. So 1618 was my FIBO number. Last time from 1612 it crashed down to 435 if I'm not wrong. No, it was 1397, 1398 odd or even that ranges. It's almost 250, 200 points. So pakka mil gaya wahan pe. So that's no doubt. And this time again a reshot at 1618 ranges. Again it has came down till like 1500 ranges from 1497, 100 points odd or even. So again I'm telling you, there is a lot of things in markets. Have some common sense before investment, before taking your trades, hedge your positions and go home if you want to be peaceful. Okay, so not lose maximum capital. Chota chalega. If the loss, you may be taking 50,000 rupees in futures, you may be taking just 5,000 rupees. So comparatively, it's very big. So understand the ideology behind your working ethics, fundamental ethics, and common sense is very important for a trader. First of all, you learn technicals. So when markets gapping down, it's not about shorting the markets and panic button. You want to have some common sense ideology. So be careful with any investment risk and please start having trading common sense. Be a trader more than an investor. You'll be risk free. If you're investing, also have some great common sense that how you invest and how to exit. So make your own way. Thank you so much for your time and patience for watching this video. And definitely I'm going to come up with a lot of videos now. So how to demonstrate yourself and how to elaborate things very clearly in markets and how to make and build yourself in markets. So till then, take care. Have a wonderful time ahead. Any queries if you have, if you want to learn and you want to earn, and please share the video with your friends, family and well-wishers, so it may help them a lot about common sense. So thank you so much and have a great time ahead. Jai Hind.